Right, some breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has declined to halt antitrust probe against Amazon and Flipkart. This probe is being done by India's antitrust watchdog into allegations of anti-competitive behavior at Amazon and Flipkart and intensifying scrutiny of big tech firms. Let's go across to Vaidya for more. So Vaidya, give us more details about this case.
The Competition Commission of India, which is mandated by law to look into the violations, it has started a probe against Flipkart as well as Amazon. So both the companies went to the Karnataka High Court saying that it should be stopped. But Karnataka High Court said that we can't stop it, it has to continue. So now they came to the Supreme Court. Chief Justice today said companies, they should volunteer for a probe. Why to stop probe? Why do you not want a probe? They've declined. So only thing is, August 9th is the date. Both companies should cooperate with the Competition Commission of India for such a probe. That has been extended by 4 weeks. But Chief Justice bench made it very clear they will not stop the probe. So both this Flipkart and Amazon will have to face the probe initiated by the Competition Commission of India.
Right, and this probe is based on they promoted select sellers on their e-commerce platforms and offered deep discounts, and that affected competition.
Exactly, this Competition Commission is there when there are any complaints given to the Competition Commission in unfair trade practices. The Competition Commission orders a probe. So based on certain complaints, only the probe has been ordered against both these e-commerce giants. So now Supreme Court saying that it will not stop. Both the companies should volunteer for such a probe, then the probe will go on.